Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 5.4 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. To get started, let's pull down the notification panel, start again, and find a toggle for it. So for me it looks like it's actually not visible, so I'm gonna tap on the little pencil right over here. And as you can see there is hotspot, so what you want to do is just grab it, drag it over, go back, and you can now access it from here. So once it's visible and the notification toggles right here, you can hold it and this will take us to the settings where you can quickly customize it. So let's go into Wi-Fi Hotspot right over here and choose password, which by default is some randomly generated password. So I advise you to just simply remove the old one and set your own new password. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Then on top you also have the hotspot name, which will be just a Wi-Fi name in the list. And that's about all the most important aspects here. So once you have changed those, you can go back, leave this, and simply tap on the toggle whenever you want to use it. And there we go. So that is how you would enable it. And once you're done with it, make sure you turn it off by again tapping on it once more. Otherwise you will not have Wi-Fi. As you can see, when you turn on hotspot, it uses your Wi-Fi as a way to broadcast the signal. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.